Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I am going to share with you a 200 plus transition pack for free and also show you how to apply these transitions to your videos. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. First of all, go to the link provided in this video description and download the transition pack. After downloading the pack, open your project. I have imported 2 videos for the demo. Double-click on the Import Media tab and open the file named 200 Plus Transition Pack. Then open the 200 Plus Transition Bundle. A pop-up will appear, and you just need to tick the 2 options and click the OK button. If this opened in uPremiere, just click on Locate and find the folder you have recently downloaded of 200 Plus Transition Pack. Open that folder. There is a folder named as Assets. Click on it and then press Search and then press OK. This will import all the transitions. Next, open the folder by double-clicking the left mouse button. Select the folder according to your needs. I want to apply seamless transitions to my video, so I open the Seamless Transitions folder. There are 2 options, and I want to apply the Fast Speed Seamless Transition. To import the transition correctly, you need to include all the tracks in the timeline except for the first one. In this way, you can apply these transitions to your video. If this video was helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.